Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I show you how to implement Livewire into the Laravel. First of all, what is Livewire? Livewire is a library that makes simple to build modern reactive and dynamic interface using Laravel Blade. In other words, Livewire is a full stack framework for the Laravel. If you want to develop and want to add single page application feeling in your Laravel application without leaving the comfort of the Laravel, you should use Livewire. It is a great stack to choose if you want to build an application reactive and dynamic using the Laravel Blade. It's very easy to set up into the Laravel application. Livewire is a component based library. Let me start the install the Livewire in this application. Here is the official documentation of the Livewire, and you can easily install Livewire using this command composer require Livewire. So let me start and install in this application. Let me fire composer require livewire command, and this command installing the dependency of the Livewire package. You can see here Livewire installed successfully. Let me take next step. Let me add the style directive into the my application for the style and scripts of the Livewire. So let me open the welcome page, because right now running the welcome page into the application. So specify the Livewire style into the head tag and specify here script. So let me copy this directive and specify directive here, and let me clear the console and start the server again, php artisan. So this command is start the server and run the Laravel project on this port. So let me run it here, and let me show you the style of the Livewire. You can see here all the default styles already included into the applications, and let me show you at the bottom. You can see here the default script of the Livewire also included here. So the basic setup of the Livewire is done. Let me create one component, and you can create the Livewire component using the make livewire command. So let me fire this command into the console and specify name here. So I'm going to specify the welcome of the component name, and let me create, and let me show you the component created into the application. You can see here the Livewire welcome.php class is created inside the Livewire directory into the http directory, and here this render method return the view of the livewire.welcome. Livewire.welcome blade file created inside the view directory, and you can see here the welcome.blade.php file created by the Livewire. Let me move this part of the welcome blade into the newly created Livewire component here, and let me start server again, php artisan serve, and let's refresh. Now screen is blank because I moved the HTML into the newly created component. Now I'm going to use this component into the welcome blade file. So let me add the component here. You can use the livewire tag and specify here component name. So I'm going to specify my component name is welcome, and I'm going to specify here welcome, and let me refresh, and you can see here all the content now again here. So you can easily create component, and you can easily add the component into the any blade, and so your code is very neat and clean, and you can easily use it. So livewire is a very great package. We will learn more into the next tutorial. Thank you for watching a video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.